Welcome fellow homeowners, or should I say, members of the Unexpected Expense Club. Spirit Whisper here, ready to commiserate over leaky roofs, questionable wiring, and those vanishing savings accounts. It's a wild ride, folks. Let's unpack it together. New Homeowner Blues. When move-in ready means moving your finances out. Let's be real here. They paint this rosy picture of homeownership like buying a house is some kind of magic ticket to financial stability and cozy domestic bliss. Well, folks, I'm calling BS on that one. At least, based on my whirlwind of unexpected expenses and surprises since getting the keys to my new place. I'm still technically in that honeymoon phase where the boxes are barely unpacked, but I'm starting to wonder how much champagne they pour on real estate listings, because this reality ain't sparkling the way I had hoped. Don't get me wrong, there are positives and those moments of feeling pride, but financially, ouch. I guess we all need that disclaimer up front. Your results may vary. The thing is, even with an inspection, which mine passed with relatively minor notes, and some due diligence during showings, there's so much about the real health of a house that's a gamble. It's not like opening a brand new product off the shelf. You're dealing with decades of potential hidden issues, wear and tear, and sometimes, let's just say, questionable DIY attempts from previous owners. It started innocently enough. A little extra work, personalize the place. New doorknobs, the standard lock change for security, that sort of thing. But before I could really even unpack the kitchenware, I found myself knee-deep in stuff they don't mention in those real estate shows. Let's see, what was it? Oh yeah, a radon mitigation system. Apparently, my quaint new residence was quietly a bit radioactive. Awesome. That wasn't the end of it, though. Apparently, storm door installation wasn't on the original builder's to-do list, which seems crazy to me in a climate where we don't get just those gentle summer breezes. Add to that, my efficient all-electric setup decided that hot water was somehow optional. Hello, emergency plumber situation and unexpected upgrade. Just one thing after another. I realize some folks will look at my list and think, well, those are just standard home expenses. Which technically is true. But the shock is in the frequency and scale, especially right after spending a huge chunk of change on the move itself. The down payment and closing costs. Honestly, those already had my savings account reeling. Now, it feels like it's taking the final bow. This isn't even taking into account ongoing costs you don't always fully factor in when budgeting, new appliance warranties, a lawn that magically needs weekly attention. Heck, I now need to figure out budgeting for having asphalt laid down since parking 2 cars on a dirt patch ain't gonna cut it in this region. I wish I could say, but wait, it gets better. Maybe it does eventually. I sure hope so, otherwise, this investment won't be in the house so much as in my stress medication collection. The biggest irony is that sometimes I have half a mind to pack everything right back up and return to the renter's life. Okay, maybe that's an exaggeration fueled by that empty wallet feeling. The truth is, I like aspects of having my own space. Still, it'd be nice to feel like I actually own the place instead of having a constant stream of invoices dictate my life. If you're out there house hunting, I'm not trying to burst your bubble. Just prepare yourself. Move-in ready often seems to mean, get your checkbook ready. And oh yeah, your toolkit too. Let's just hope at some point I can replace these surprise repairs with, that actual dream decor budget I thought I'd have. We'll see.